Hi, this is Jamie here with GearBest. So today I've got this HUAWEI Honor V10 with me, a relatively new phone released earlier this year from Huawei. This is a sample product from our supplier when you make a purchase at GearBest.com. Honor V10 comes in the phone, the box, a phone protector, an English manual, a Type-C cable, a socket, and a SIM card pin. So let's take a look at this phone first. As you can see, not bezel-less, a home button right here in the bottom. Very old-fashioned way, I actually like it. SIM card slot to the left. Volume buttons and lock buttons to the right. On the bottom of the phone, it comes in 3.5mm headphone jack, love this, and a Type-C port right next to it. So spec-wise, 5.99-inch IP pixel screen with a 13-megapixel of camera, front camera right on top of it. Inside, Android 8.0 system with Kirin 970 octa-core processor clocking in at 2.4 GHz. 6 GB of RAM plus 120 GB of storage that can be expanded for 256 GB extra with TF card. 3750 mAh of battery. It was okay, not the best. Slightly above the average, but larger than the phone I'm currently with, which is the iPhone 10. So I am happy with this one already. And finally, at the back, really nice, not vertically positioned, love, not following the trend. Dual rear camera at 20 megapixel plus 16 megapixel here. So that's it for HUAWEI Honor V10. Like and subscribe to our channel. This is Jamie. I'll see you next time.